Hi, I'm Sakina. Trouble in the Camp, the new breed at Live at the Top. ER finds Popcaan in a talkative mood as he introduces some fresh faces and reminisces about Gaza days. Trouble there.
Anyway, they kill them stop, tell one figure with the contact. Tell some boy don't try violate, man, I fly with them.
From teenage Gaza prefect to dancehall star, from Clarks to overdo it, own the man she want and family. Popcaan surfing the sometimes treacherous waves of the Jamaican popular music scene, and now at 28, repeatedly hailed as dancehall's next big thing, having twice won Britain's MOBO Award, opening in Europe for Drake's Boy Meets World Tour, defeating the likes of Wiz Khalifa during his UK debut at the Red Bull Culture Clash, and singled out by rap superstar Drake, to whose OVO sound he recently signed, and whose presence he promised and delivered at his first Unruly Fest in 2018.
Burn up.
Slang slinging Popcaan steering clear of trouble, but still without a career-boosting US visa. His fingers are crossed. In the meantime, a mixtape released in 2019 and an album in the pipeline for 2020, and his Unruly camp stepping into sharper focus.
Bringing some new talent to the world, you know. Yeah, give some new youth the platform for can make money and help them family like Popcaan, you know. Unruly because you don't know Chef, Process One, Valiant, you see me, I say Ray God DNA, you don't know Prince Hakeem same way, you see me? And guess what? Wild Crocodile Quadra, you see me?
How many layers of people does one have to go through to get to Popcaan at this stage of the game?
It kind of crazy still, you know, it kind of crazy, but as me say, if destiny lead it for me to happen, you know, just like how destiny lead me to where I'm at right now.
You used the good word crazy because I think your life has changed ever since you kind of appeared before an ER camera way back then.
Why?
In Gaza days, long time ago.
Burn up.
Prefect days.
Yeah.
You're no longer the prefect.
From Gaza days still, you know, it's a whole heap of we get the same platform, you know. It's like the way how me use the platform when me get is like me use it like it was my last, you know, like I hit one me have so me hold on to it, you know. For all these years, I put in the work, I never give up. I just fight the fight, you know, and I just win.
Trouble, you think this house?
I made a lot of mistakes while I was on my journey. So, like, when I get locked up a certain place and everything there, I feel like it did for me, you know? Because probably if them things that never happened to me, it would give me them reality check that when I get, you see me?
And being Popcaan right now means that when you leave your house and go somewhere, it's like you have to be conscious that everybody knows who you are.
Like if I call one of my friends them and tell them say me I go and party tonight, like them I go say, oh, I lie me I tell you, see me? I remember I say raving king, I say party, you see me? But life put me on a different height. So I say life is not just all about party every day, you see me? Me rather for stay home and work.
And cook.
Yeah, and cook, yeah, definitely. Where you say cuz? Joby! Just absorb it.
Popcaan's fans absorbing his every line and look, like his mentor Cartel, the DJ with a knack for slang and youth-appealing antics. The power of the mic sometimes as dangerous as it is intoxicating.
At one point, I never really care still, you know. Okay, you know what I name, Hot Skull, you know, so. I never really business about like what I do, you know. But after a time I start realize because it's like I never even realize the power what I have. You see me? It's like I never even see so much people me inspire and so much people look up to me. So when I start travel and see them things, you know, and even when I go in the ghetto of Jamaica and them things, when I go up on the road, it's like I start pre-life different. I say, yo, John Star, you know, say everything what I do, the whole of them people I got pre me on a different level. So it's like I choose the things them what I do. I choose even the lyrics them what I sing because the words is very powerful, you know. Sometimes you just call long judgment by yourself. So that is why I just always preach blessing over my life, right through. Even my own friend them, like if me like ready to do something, like them ready to do it too. So you know, like even when I'm there outside in the public certain way, enough time people try to test with on anything there, I have to know how to go about the situation. because I mean Popcaan, you see me?
Unruly camp.
Hello?
Popcaan's Lieutenant Quadra rocking the unruly camp boat recently after he was charged with murder and arson over a 2019 incident. The 23-year-old out and about on a $500,000 bail.
Aren't you concerned that that very serious charge hurts or taints your brand?
When things like that happen, it never expected, it was unexpected, it was a surprise to everybody. So it's a youth where him not really try to pull off no bad man image or them thing then. So like when we hear about them thing that reach Quadra, the best thing we could do is just try to get him out as fast as we can, you see me? And then try to deal with the situation. But my lawyer have everything under control, so Quadra lawyer have everything under control.
Well, I've seen Quadra, he doesn't look particularly disturbed.
No, he's not. I'm confident.
Rose to the gold diamond, fully got neck.
Popcaan fielding almost all ER's questions, but some clearly off limits.
The antagonism and war of words with Mavada and Alkaline, is that strictly a thing of the past? Is all forgiven?
I don't want to talk about those people, bro. Until next one. Guru! Fix them lens, yeah.
There's a big discussion in Jamaica about beats and rhythms and the kinds of sounds that's fueling dancehall music in Jamaica now, whether it's trap dancehall or a kind of more traditional sounding 90s dancehall. Where do you stand in that debate?
Anthony, let me tell you something about Popcaan. I'm a musician. I'm there for segregate which one a trap dancehall or which one a rap dancehall. I just know about one dancehall from me I grew till now. You see me, so whatever a man want group up around this and call what they want to call it, I don't really know about that. I just know about dancehall and a whole.
Can you define that? What does it mean to you?
It mean everything. It take me out of sufferation. Even when I watch like some old Clash and them thing there. With all Bounty Killer and Beanie Man them see me. Super Cat and Ninja Man them. I still get goosebumps when I watch them. You see me, because I have that love there for dancehall music from ever since. I have that love there for reggae music also. That is the next thing I like when people try to segregate reggae and dancehall music too. It's one thing, one Jamaica, and you see me? So at the end of the day, if there's some new youth forward and I do them thing and I say, I trap dancehall them I do. I don't want nobody to say, oh, them I try mash up music and them now have the bass line and yo, just give them a chance and you do what you do. When Popcaan did forward and say clocks, where you get the new clocks there, daddy? Everybody I say, we can't tell a girl a gimmicks artist here. Until them see say it's not a gimmicks. So all of them youth here we are forward up now, them young artists here. On the job, I have to just prove people wrong. When them say, well, now do can't work, I have to just show them say it can't work. Like I did.
Cartels and Popcaan's careers intersecting in 2007, the one launching the other, both eventually moving in different directions. But the unruly boss still inspired by the world boss's work ethic.
Because when me and Cartel created, is it all of them youth here, like, when I listen to them youth here, when I watch how them dress and things, remember I say I wish say clocks, I wish say cut off foot pants, same way. So it's like the image, the sound, everything is Cartel and Popcaan. It's been that.
What do you think Cartel's chief contribution to dancehall was? And is, because he's very much on the radio as we speak.
I want to tell you, yes, Cartel a dancehall still, you know. Yeah, the man there, like, him have a passion for dancehall from time, you know. It's like, him just always work, him always want record, him always want on to the next one, on to the next one. It's like, the work ethics where him have, you know, me admire it. You see me, and my work ethics from them time, the same way him used to always say, yo, papi, and yo, love how you always advise, you know, because I always advise, just like now. Last time I advised about 4 songs. Right, that's the same way. You see me say, like, always I work same way, man. And I have to say, Vibes Cartel, always big him up. Yeah, man, whole heap of respect for Cartel, a whole heap of youth him help same way.
I guess in every DJ's mind must be the fear that at some point the inspiration and the lyrics just fade away or they die. Do you ever succumb to that fear?
No, never. I don't live my life with fear, and I don't believe in people that talk about, oh, you're not going to do this forever, you're not going to do that forever. Like, me, I build myself every day more and more. Bob Marley and Michael Jackson, they're dead. They still talk about them every day. When time me stop the music is when I go do different things. I go do some different business venture. You see me? Yeah, but for now, this me I deal with. I not deal with drop off. Yeah, we stay up.
I am way up. I like the 4th of July. From a pretty girl